The rapid acceleration of global supply chain growth has transformed the way businesses handle international sourcing, production, and trade. As a result, the multinational organisations responsible for most of the world's cross-border trade find themselves operating increasingly complex and dynamic supply chains. These organisations can create new and exciting opportunities for social and economic progress in rural or developing regions. However, if not properly managed, a lack of transparency combined with the demand for inexpensive labour can have negative results, including the exploitation of workers' rights, poor working conditions, the use of child labour and forms of modern slavery. As an industry, we have the opportunity to influence and empower change. Through the adoption of international standards and best practices for responsible sourcing and manufacturing, we can establish tangible goals and improve the working and living conditions for many. Intertek is a global leader in supply chain management solutions, helping companies, suppliers, and workers from a variety of industry sectors with responsible sourcing challenges and opportunities for sustainable change.